been a while. We're just minutes away from a new year. Our spineless president is yapping away with some empty speech. And instead of partying, I'm here working for you guys. Look at my room, it's empty. It's just me and my cat. You know what we say? How you welcome the year is how the rest is gonna go. I don't even have any snacks prepared. This is my daily meal right here. We'll get back to that later. Aside from these fireworks, I wanna show you what I actually managed to get done during this half year that just flew by. So I built these solid shells out of some leftover profiles like this. I filled these containers with Lego parts I scored for cheap from the random people. Of course, there was a lot of junk mixed in those piles, but I'm gonna keep it for some future project, like for this video that nobody's seen. I'm melting knockoff parts in plasma here, and for those who don't know, the temperature hits around 11,000 degrees at the core. Right here you see the Ibishu Hooper from BMG. It has a link suspension, it is motorized, 4-wheel drive, and of course, damage physics. Next up, the Opel Ascona. This was my first car in real life. But this specific build has some very special features. Another one I'm proud of is this Toyota Supra. It's almost fully developed. And a few smaller and unfinished models. I have already managed to hit a couple of exhibitions with my main builds. I joined a local LEGO user group for adults, where I found new friends, new opportunities, and just had an amazing time. But I need to talk to you about my nightmare, my daily job. It's absolutely killing me in every way. The only thing I can actually manage to plan out in my life are my project blueprints. But bringing them to life takes a ton of effort and patience. The conditions are terrible. Constant dust, mess, and a real struggle to make everything look nice and shiny. Just I was starting to edit this video, a water valve cracked, and I had to call emergency services to get it repaired. And to avoid being left without water, I ended up having to replace all the old pipes with new ones. It took a massive amount of time and really pushed back the editing process. I always confident in the quality of my work, but I am constantly stuck fixing other people's screw-ups. Not my job. 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 Doing everything honestly by the book always leaves me drained of time and energy. And at the end of it all, of course, I still have to clean up after myself. Until eventually, after sacrificing so much for a job, I just burn out and end up in the hospital. Have you ever been in a situation where you show up to work without your tools, but you're so confident in your skills that you just improvise with your bare hands? Probably not, but for me, this isn't my first time. What if, instead of regular tools, I only had Lego? As you can see, it looks like a crap. Somehow, I can't really pull off being a construction worker and a YouTuber at the same time. Which one should I choose? I'd better grab a real tool, otherwise you guys won't see another video for a year.